I just want to talk about being able to create your own lane instead of following the traditional way. Uh, I was watching that show, The Shop. I think it's the show LeBron James has, and it was talking about how people are comfortable with the 9 to 5 grind. And that's cool and everything, but in order to have financial freedom, being able to work on your own schedule instead of depending on a certain amount of hours you getting at work, it's hard, especially for somebody like me who depends on health benefits. I can't take certain risks. But as I get older, I realize when I get to that age where I can be replaced on a certain job, I have the outside skill. Having the skill, like being a graphic designer or a web designer, it can benefit you. It just takes time to build up clientele, time for people to believe in you and what you can bring to the table. A lot of things motivate me to get back into it. My son is one of the motivators. Having him was a blessing. Being able to see that coming from where I came from, as far as like health-wise, the whole kidney transplant, the whole sickness I've been through since I was in my early 20s. I never thought I would see myself being a father because I was so sick. I didn't think I was gonna make it. Being a father woke me up to a lot of things that I need to realize that once I'm dead and gone, my son is okay. My wife is okay.